This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Foton Tunland, stock number 6790. This ran from the 10th 2012 to the 6th 2019. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch fat yellow maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,